Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to find LinkedIn profile ID. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to go to any web browser and log into your LinkedIn account. So if you're looking for your LinkedIn profile ID, you just have to tap this me or that person icon and then click view profile here. Okay. So again, if you're looking for your profile ID, LinkedIn profile ID, you just have to go to this area, part right here. And then this is your LinkedIn profile ID. Okay. You just have to simply tap this one or drag and then copy. Now, if you don't like your LinkedIn profile ID and you want to change it, you want to edit that one, what you want to do next is to go to this part, public profile and URL. Tap this pencil icon to edit. Okay, so once you tap this one, it will take you to another page where you can simply edit your profile ID. Okay, so go to this part, okay, and then click. Now you can change your profile ID and LinkedIn will tell you if this profile ID is available or not, if someone has already taken this ID or if it's available. So all you have to do is to look for that unique profile ID. And then once you're done, all you have to do is to simply click save. For example, here I want to change it to Andy or I want to change it to Jane. Okay, everything is up to you. Okay, and then once done, click save. And that's it. Now you can copy that one and share it to any of your social media account.
Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.